Hey, this is Barbara from Inspired Paper and Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to do a quick animated post that you can use to showcase your templates or even the interior pages of your journals and planners using Canva. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and choose a file that I want to turn into a video. So I'm going to use this one right here. And the first thing I'm going to do, I already did use this in a previous post that I created, and that's why you'll see that the animation is already here, but I'm going to kind of backtrack so that you can see what I did. So these are the files that I have, and this template is currently on sale in my shop. So I will definitely make sure I leave the link to that. But first thing that I did was when you click on it, animation pops up over here. Well, actually the word animation pops up, but because I already picked the one I wanted, that's why it's there. So I chose pop. Pop, if you notice, has a crown next to it like these other ones. That's because I have the Canva Pro account. If you want to try it free for 45 days, the link will be under the video. Because I am a certified Canva creative, I have access to different features and things that we get to try out free before they're passed on to the public. And having a Canva Pro account is one of the things that I have access to. So you choose whichever one you want. Let's say we choose Tumble. Okay, so you already get a preview, and then up here you can determine how long you want it to play out. It defaults on 5. I chose 2 because I didn't want to take up too much time, but I'm gonna change it to 2.5. I didn't want to take up too much time. I want this to be something nice and quick for you to view. So then here it says apply to all pages. So let's see if that's the case. You go here. I'm going to change this to 2.5. So it applied tumble, but it didn't apply to time. So I just have to go in and change it, which is not a big deal. So I'm gonna go ahead and change it. Once, oops, wait a minute. Make sure I'm on the right one. I think that one. Okay. So I'm changing the time because the tumble feature did change and when I clicked on all pages, but the time did not. So I want to make sure that I have 2.5 for all of them, which I think I do. So I'm just going to double check. 2.5. Yep, yep, yep. Go and go. All right. So, and I'm going to call this updated only because, again, I already created one and I want to make sure that I'm able to access the file quickly. So when I hit download, and you'll see over here, it shows you it's going to be 15 seconds. And this is what it'll look like, which is pretty cool. All right. So you can download it from here if you want, and it already suggests the MP4 video. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. And Canva has a neat little feature or neat little update over here where it shows you that it's downloading. Now, I can go ahead and work on something else if I wanted to while this is downloading, and I just might, depending on how long it takes. But I want to make sure that it keeps downloading. But I think I'm going to go ahead and start working on the image as far as what I want the post to look like. So I go back to here. I created this one earlier for the template, so that's why you see it here. And it's just a real simple. I try to make sure that I'm highlighting the design itself and not so much the background. So I'm just going to do add a page. And this one right here, this is a Facebook post. So what I did was I went on Canva's homepage and just chose the Facebook post option so that those are my dimensions. So now let's go to photos. And I'm going to type in, let's see if they have anything for pink desk. Let's see if they have a pink desk. So there we go. They have a couple of different options. And again, this is all on Canva. I think I'm going to choose this one. Okay. So I'm going to stretch it out, pull it over a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose iPad. And it gives me a mock-up of all the iPads they have available. They even have some where I could add the video to it, but I'm going to go ahead and select, let me see, what was that down there? Okay, let's select this one. And this is a Pro, as you can see. So you want to be mindful of that. Some of the images are pro images, and if you don't have the pro account, you may be charged a fee. So you definitely want to make sure that you keep that in mind. So let's put this over here. Let's leave it right here. Okay. So next thing I'm going to do, let me see if the video downloaded. So next I'm going to go over here to uploads, video, and I'm going to drag the video up here. And as you can see, it shows up right there. There it is. So I'm going to format it so that it fits inside the window. As you can see right here. And I do apologize if you hear some noise in the background. Those are my kids in the background. So they may be a little loud, but I wanted to get this video out because I think this is a fantastic way for you guys to showcase your templates. So there's the video, as you can see. Then I'm going to make sure I have this highlighted, and I'm going to push it to the back. So see how it's pushed to the back? And then from here, what I can do is go ahead. This has the option to publish to Facebook, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and download it all together. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Let's see if it'll let me stop. Because I forgot. I have a couple on here. So I want to select the fourth one. So I'm going to do download. Now for you, this may be the only one that you have, but I'm going to do download for number 4 because I do have some other ones on here. And then I'll go ahead and download. And then once you have it downloaded onto your computer, from there you can go ahead and upload it to Facebook. You can change the dimensions so that it fits the Instagram. This could even be a Pinterest video. Pinterest videos are growing as far as with engagement and more people getting sales because they're using video, because video is pretty much I would say the wave of the future, but videos are now. So now that we see that I downloaded it, this is what it looks like. And there you go. Well, let me pull it down a little bit. You might not be able to see it. Hold on for a second. Let me see if I can make it a little bit smaller so that you can see it. Let's see. See, I want you guys to be able to see it. Hold on for 1 second. Let me see if I can change the dimensions so that I can bring it in a little bit. Hold on. I don't think it's going to let me do it. There we go. So that kind of gives you an idea of what it would look like. And you see how it's running continuously? You can already, so that just lets you know that once you post it to Facebook, it will run continuously. All right. So if you have any questions, definitely feel free to post them below. But this is just a quick tutorial on how you can go ahead and create an animated post to post on social media. Again, this is Barbara from Inspired Paper and Designs. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you guys real soon.